Hello guys, hope all are doing great, all are doing झकास in their life. आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बहुत ही कॉमन टॉपिक है. When we go for a new job, when we are going to join a new company, उस समय उस जॉब में आपका जो शुरू के कुछ दिन हैं, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपका जो इंप्रेशन वहां गिरता है, आपका जो वहां क्या बोलते हैं इमेज जो गिरता है, वो शुरू के एक हफ्ते में दिखता है, वो शुरू के एक हफ्ते में एनालाइज होता है और वो शुरू के एक हफ्ते में गेज होता है. तो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑन अ न्यू जॉब, हाउ टू मेंटेन इट सो दैट यू आर टेकन इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, यू आर टेकन इन एन इंपॉर्टेंट वे, और आपको लोगों को लगे कि यस एक सही बंदा आ गया है काम पर, एक सही टीम मेंबर आ गया है काम पर, और ये हमारे साथ काफी टाइम तक चलेगा और ये अच्छा करेगा एंड ऑल दैट. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द लास्ट इंप्रेशन, पीपल से. सो शुरू के कुछ दिन में क्या नहीं करना चाहिए और क्या करना चाहिए, इस बारे में थोड़ी सी बात करेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट एंड आई सी मेनी अ टाइम्स दैट पीपल goof अप इन दिस डूज एंड डोंट्स. और goof अप ऐसे होता है कि एक महीने में ही बहुत कुछ बाहर निकल के आता है, which is exactly opposite to how they behaved when they had come and what they are doing now after 1 month, 2 months. So it is very important. Some do's and some don'ts. So first we discuss the do's. Do's are very important. Be punctual to the job. First, don't think that you can come at any time, go at any time. That is very wrong. आप नए हैं फिर भी you have to be punctual to the job. Very important. 2 मिनट 5 मिनट जल्दी आए, 2 मिनट 5 मिनट लेट जाए वो चलेगा, बट बी पंक्चुअल. एंड इससे ये मालूम पड़ता है कि यू आर इंटरेस्टेड ऑन द जॉब, यू आर कीन, यू आर पैशनेट, यू आर एंथुजियास्टिक. इससे ये मालूम पड़ता है. सेकेंड, कीप एन ओपन माइंड. अगर कोई कुछ बात बोल रहा है या कोई बात आपको पूछ रहा है या कोई आपको काम के बारे में पूछ रहा है या कोई आपके बारे में कुछ और क्वेश्चन, तो कीप एन ओपन माइंड. रिप्लाई पॉजिटिवली with a smile, with a maturity, with an open answer, not running away from the questions. Face the person, talk to the person, interact with the person. Very important, because वो ही दिखाता है कि आप एक open mind से बात कर सकते हैं and you are the person who can interact with anybody, subject to the person is asking you some questions on companies or on your experience or on some issues, whatever may be. Be interactive, keep an open mind. नेक्स्ट इज ऑब्जर्व एंड आस्क मेनी क्वेश्चंस. कंपनी में ये क्या सिस्टम है, ये एसओपी क्या है, ये प्रोटोकॉल क्या है, ये रूल क्या है. आस्क क्वेश्चन सो दैट यू कैन लर्न द कंपनीज रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस फास्ट. हर कंपनी अपना एक अलग रूल्स और रेगुलेशन के साथ में काम करती है, बिकॉज उसमें उसको फायदा दिखता है. तो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बी कीन, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बी ईगर टू नो कि वो कंपनी क्या सिस्टम से चल रहा है, एंड ट्राई टू एब्जॉर्ब द सिस्टम फास्टर. Observe and ask questions. Next is get to know your team members. आप किसके साथ में काम करेंगे, कौन कौन लोग हैं उसके अंदर काम करेंगे, सबका नाम जानिए, सब कितने साल से काम कर रहे हैं, उनका एक्सपीरियंस आपको अच्छा मिलेगा, उनके साथ में आपको काम करने को अच्छा मिलेगा. गेट टू नो योर टीम मेंबर्स. ये मत सोचो कि वो मेरे पास आएंगे तब मैं बात करूंगा, नहीं. यू कैन अप्रोच देम इन अ फ्रेंडली वे, in such a way that they understand your position. They understand that you are a fresher or you have joined today, you are an experienced person but you have joined today. You want to know the company, you want to know the people. आपको बहुत उत्साह है सबको समझने के लिए, जानने के लिए, टीम मेंबर को समझने के लिए. So try to show that interest. Get to know your team members politely, with a smile. It matters a lot. Not with an attitude, not with an tantrum, not with your angry face, not with your what you say over smart confidence level. वो सब नहीं शुरू में, या मैं बोलता हूं कभी भी नहीं, बिकॉज हम्बल जितना रहेगा उतना अच्छा रहता है. बी ए पॉजिटिव इन्फ्लुएंसर. जहां पर भी आप बैठे बात करें, पॉजिटिव बात करें, अप्रिशिएट करें काम को, अप्रिशिएट करें कंपनी को, अप्रिशिएट करें कंपनी की ग्रोथ को, अप्रिशिएट करें कंपनी के लोगों को. दिस शोज दैट यू आर a positive thinking mindset person and you will do good for the company. This gives a message to everybody that you are the correct fit for the company and you will be a good member of the team or company or project, whatever. So try to be a positive influencer. That is very important. Now I will discuss few don'ts, what you should not do in your first 10, 15, 20, 30 days, whatever may be, because your first impression should not go wrong to the people who are observing you. You should not project yourself that I know everything, I am master of everything, I am the guru of everything. No, you should not project yourself, because the moment you try to project yourself in such a way, then people will find way to pull you down. People will find a way to make you feel that something is missing. People will try to pull you back with some excuses or the other. So don't try to show that you are master of everything. I know everything. I know it all. No. Show that you are here to learn and grow. Show that you are still learning. Show that you are keen to learn more. Show that people will like to teach you. But people don't like that a person who has joined new is telling that I know more than you. That nobody likes. Later, okay, but now, as of now, you should show that I am here to learn. I am here to understand things. I am here to be part of the company. I am here to learn and grow. Be a keen person rather than telling that I know it all, I am full. Second is, put down your former employer. Don't talk bad about your previous company. That gives a very wrong signal, because people will feel that what wrong you have done there, how you have maintained yourself there, what wrong things you must have done there. All talking about the previous company in the wrong way projects you in the wrong way, not the previous company. Previous company is still running, but people will think wrong about you. So try to maintain your dignity and try to maintain the dignity of the company, the previous company, in such a way that people find that yes, you are a gentleman type of person and you will not talk wrong about the previous company, which can happen that when you go from here also, you will not talk wrong about this company also. So that gives a good impression. Don't get involved with office of politics, because starting days are such that everybody will start talking to you negative things about the company instead of the positive things, and you, if you get so much engrossed in that, अगर आप उसके अंदर घुस गया नेगेटिव चीज में, ये मैनेजर ऐसा है, ये लीडर ऐसा है, ये आदमी ऐसा है, ये एम्प्लॉय ऐसा है, ये स्टाफ ऐसा है, ये सिक्योरिटी ऐसा है, ये चाय वाला ऐसा है, ये that is totally wrong, because the more you get inside into this, the more you will try to put negativity in your mindset, and अभी कल परसों को आपके साथ में काम पड़ेगा, then you will talk in that manner only. So don't get involved in office politics. Stay away from it. If you are sitting with few people and talk is going on, try to give a general reaction, but don't get involved. Very difficult, very wrong also. Don't become a person of like yes man type. हाँ में हाँ ना मिलाएं. आपको ओपिनियन रखना है तो रखें, नहीं रखना है तो मत रखें. But don't try to become a doormat. Don't try to become a हाँ में हाँ type person. कि कोई कुछ भी बोल रहा है आप उसमें हाँ मिला रहे हैं just because you want to give a good impression of yourself. Not necessary. It is good that you keep quiet. It is good that you stay away from such office politics or goof ups or whatever. But later these all things what you tell in Josh and overconfidence will come back on you only. So it is better to stay quiet, better to observe things, better to talk when it is required, and maintain your calmness, maintain your thought process in such a way that people should love to approach you, people should love to talk with you, people should love to spend some time with you. Don't be too demanding. Don't throw your tantrums. Don't show your anger. Don't say that I want this chair only. Don't say that I want this table only. Don't say that I want this person in my team member. Don't be too demanding. Later, when you get inside, when you gel with all the people, when you mix with everybody, everything will happen at the correct time. But now, in your first 10, 20, 30 days, if you show all these tantrums, anger, and if you show that you are too demanding, people will not take you in a positive way, and it might come back on your head in the wrong way. So these are few don'ts. Earlier I told few do's. Try to see that you understand both the situations and manage yourself to be a good employee of the company, to give a first impression in the positive way, and to stay for a longer time in the company which is very, very important, and it might be your goal also. Stay focused and give yourself time to settle into the new role and environment so that you are part of the company for the longer time rather than being a short-term member, which is not good also. So first impression is a very important thing, and on a new job you should be aware that these are the do's, these are the don'ts, and don't try to be in the wrong book in your first impression session, which is not good for anybody. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.